Hello Kurumjiri and welcome to Sktv'S News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Sktv'S. Now as usual, giving you the headlines first. Security forces arrest 3 cadres of proscribed KCP MFL for threatening to hurl bomb at Sangay Festival on Facebook. And Socialist Students Union of Manipur slams abrupt replacement of Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSM chairman as insult to students. Now the news in detail. Security forces have arrested 3 cadres of proscribed KCP MFL in connection with a bomb threat at the Sangay Festival venue. The arrested persons are Laisham Sonia Devi, aged 31, from Okram Jutek in Imphal East District, Salam Luangan Bamite, alias Ibungo, aged 22, from Terasa Dokpam Lekay, and Pamdom Pampok Meite, alias Ajay, alias Abungja, aged 29, from Wangjing Bazaar in Thobal District. They were arrested in a follow-up investigation of a bomb threat video posted on Facebook by user Meite Lanmi Nauti Boy on November 21. According to police, Pampok was allegedly involved in planning to hurl grenades at the ongoing Sangay Festival 2025. Socialist Students Union of Manipur, in short SSUM, condemned the abrupt transfer of Board of Secondary Education Manipur chairman before his term. According to a press release issued by SSUM Publicity and Information Secretary, BOSM chairman was removed from notice. The association highlighted that as per established norms, removal of a board chairman must be notified 3 months prior. The association further condemned the said post being carried by Education as director in an in-charge basis, citing arbitrary use of powers. The student body recounted that similar incident had occurred previously when Education Department's deputy director was appointed as BOSM secretary in charge, which caused many disruptions. The association urged relevant authorities to look into the matter. Former President of Icham and Rajendro, alias Boy, has expressed concern on Tangkhul and Meitei youths prioritizing on theological studies, medical and engineering careers. He added that this has created a big absence of Tangkhul and Meitei officers in top administrative decision-making level and less representatives in secretariat. And Rajendro was speaking while addressing the 21st Glory Day celebration, which was held at Jadong village today. MD of CJ Hospital and Research Center Dr. K.H. Palin, Jadong Hetman Wyong Na Wo Kasar, social activist Asang Kasar, along with other eminent persons attended the event. Speaking further, Rajendro underscored the relation of Meitei and Tangkhul community. He said harmonious relation between Meitei and Tangkhul community dates back to ancient times and they have defended the land for centuries together. He added that Manipur has seen leaders like Rishang Kaising and Yang Masho Seja who have led the state while expressing concern on youths prioritizing careers other than civil services, which is responsible for taking important administrative and policy decisions.
Education the khara mangal la fa fa sin se pui line rom the first rom da yam sa pru me ko Tangkhul gi me ke ke ui ko ma ko di MCS rom the sanhan da ba medical line the sanhan da ba IS rom the sanhan da ba ha ta ko an sin sin ma di first wor ga di ai di imung ku ngam me ha na chor gi ni ha ra smai na som sa ki ni ma ro ro ngasi ko gi taket ta ha ta re Manipur gi mayon sida na ko ge ta na ta ba ko mu da bu asi masin ka han da ra an simai na chiri je mo ko me te gi jo soi da ba soi ba le ke ba te Meitei gi soi ba le Meitei gi phai gi kari no ga ko society gi khalo da ba KS gi khalo da ba ai di imung gi khalo adu maru ne ko di to mi engineering gumba doctor gumba som de ne ko gi mai se on jan gi ba ta ko aduna ko gi secretary si na to state gi la ga phai gi le ma aduna is mo is ne to ng to ki gi han da ki to thogan char si gi launch de gi de ko na kari ma ma khang ne da o ko phai gi maru ba yum do ko ne khado ga thamu du maru mo ga si ko gi awa ga ta ne ha.
On the other hand, Dr. K.H. Palin highlighted the potential of Jadong village to become a major tourist spot in the state. He added that Chadong village can attract tourists from all over the world with development of tourism infrastructure such as resort. He also assured to organize medical camps in the village in order to attend to the healthcare needs of people of Chadong. Meanwhile, social activist Asang Kasar emphasized on the significance of organizing Glory Day celebration. He asserted that the celebration provides an opportunity for villagers of Chadong to come together and discuss on various issues and also to engage in various sporting events that promote healthy life among youths.
Ako'y natawiyaba ay kali awagas warisu sanay ako'y noma ako'y health camp laksage. I cannot do it alone. Chakot tayo say. Any organization taseng badi sigi mapam city amna use I huge potential later ba kusai ju having one of the best resource center in Manipur haigi aina haining badi Manipur ginate globally world quite a phaba resort amu ohensi
akoi se hojik mama mapa leitaba kumna leiriba khunamani kinna summers dams habadagi summers tawhidoduna uche kumna pairaga magi khara hinningai tawbu mafam onaba kanda akoi fatana mapung phaba village tu oidaribani adugi tamakta akoi mayam senka chakamina si haidana akoi kana honari masida akoigi doctor nasu aduda saruk yabibo oina sumaina si Matam Khaidor Lapase, Akagi Tamakta, Yamna Harauba, Yamna historic moment, Oire had to say Aida, Mayam the Kanhunjan in the name.
14th Foundation Day celebration for New Hope Life Foundation for Disabilities was held today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The function was attended by Manipur International University Director Ningombam Amarjit, New Hope Life Foundation for Disabilities President Shanta Takelambam, District Subject Matter Specialist Imphal West Soraijam Debala, and Head of Umanglai Harauba Department, Manipur University of Culture Dr. Nganbi Janu as the main dignitaries. Speaking on the sidelines, New Hope Life Foundation for Disabilities Treasurer Jingambam Asha highlighted the organization's core principle of serving and supporting specially abled persons while claiming that it obtained disability certificates for more than 250 specially abled persons and helped them in sending to special schools. She also announced the organization's plan to establish a dedicated home for specially abled persons at Pangay in Imphal East District in September next year.
Angangsing ako'y different person mayam singsigidamakta ako'y association sina ngamjaba ako'y gift haitare may mating pinabagi ako'y natawjaba program ni ako'y certificate tanara pizara kanda ako'y na sigi function jinsi sum yauna bai ako'y na program sinjaban like I su tambagi khudong chaba su dum leijeibo ko ako'y na dum mafam school gumbada ako'y na dum transfer tawraga dum moi si tamjaba moi gi anak pajaga yengaga su ako'y na dum thajaba haitare angangsi ako'y na seng 250 mo gi smile gi sujare ako'y na mafam kaya ako'y na tawjara I programs.
Kangleipak Communist Party PWG Unification has warned 3 Fisheries Department officers who allegedly involved in loan fraud to confess to the outfit by December 1 or face consequences. In a press release issued by its PRO Chingkai Nganba, the outfit accused the former DFO Y Dhaneshwar, DFO Manik Chan and DFO L Lindali Janu of collecting money ranging from 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees from around 800 farmers under false pretenses by promising loans. It went on to claim that the state officers failed to deliver the loans assured to the farmers and evading them. The KCP PWG Unification further asked the local clubs, women's groups and civil society organizations to understand their stance on taking action against the officials and refrain from organizing sit-in protest. More news are coming up, but before that, let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Saruk yabiu matang sahigi January ki tang tara tarit amasung tara nipanda numinini sumna National Open Kickboxing Championship lisingani kuntaruk pangthok lagani Kerala da leiba VK Krishna Menon Indoor Stadium da pangthok doriba championship asida point fight, kick light, full contact, low kick amasung K1 hariba category sing asida athoi hen tanagani championship asida saruk yaningba state asigi sanaroi singna tha asigi tang kunthra pawgi manungda nongsamai MMA da registration tawbiba yagani akupa morol gidamak mobile number 9774176292 da contact to view.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv'S Afternoon English News. Now moving on. District Administration Gangpopi organized Bal Viva Mukt Bharat campaign as Sapor Maina inside to Gamfazol subdivision, Gangpopi district. The campaign was held in collaboration between District Administration Gangpopi and Integrated Rural Management Association, IRMA, where participants took pledge to keep the district child marriage-free district. The program was attended by Gangpopi District ADM and Sakongam Baite, Site 2 Gamfazol SDO Pautintsay Kipgan, and DLO, DCPO, ICDS, and CSO representatives. DFO Tamenglong Reinforced Club Tamenglong, in collaboration with Tamenglong Forest Division and 6th Assam Rifles, jointly organized Amur Falcon Run 2025 to mark a decade of Amur Falcon's conservation in Tamenglong district. A total of 82 runners, including 22 women, took part in the 10-kilometer run, showcasing remarkable enthusiasm and community spirit. In the men's category, Gainin Tui Malangmay of Pongring Long clinched the first position, followed by KH Wahid of New Chekon as first runner-up, Paurimay Ya Pame of Poklong as second runner-up, and Muhammad Kurbas Khan of Wangjing as third runner-up. In the women's category, Kedang Wali Panmay of Langning Yam emerged winner, while KC Kakun Guilu of Tamenglong Ward number 10 secured the first runner-up position. Machun Kalui Panmay of Duilan and Najing Talui Gonmay of Duilan were declared second and third runners-up respectively. The event was also highlighted recent recognition for conservation efforts from the district. Notably, this year's satellite transmitter tagging of Amur Falcons has been termed a major success. 3 falcons, Apapang, Ahu, and Alang, completed a non-stop 3-day flight across the Arabian Sea. Vision Foundation Manipur has accused the president's rule government in the state of working against the wishes and aspirations of the people. In a press release issued by its chairman, Vision Foundation Manipur further expressed dissatisfaction over the government's failure to address the plights of the general public and IDPs and economic downturn. It continued to maintain that the failures of the government have shattered the expectations of the people to the president's rule government and asked the same government to work in accordance with the righteous wishes of the public. '53rd Annual College Break 2025-26 of DM College of Teacher Education, DMCTE Imphal, began today at its premise located at Kuyatong. The 6-day event, being organized by the college's trainees union, was graced by University and Higher Education Joint Director Aribam Rama Sankir Sharma, DMCTE Principal Dr. Konika Kuraicham, and IQAC Coordinator Dr. Anita Kangabong as the presidium members. A souvenir was also released during the function, and speaking on the sidelines, Dr. Konika informed that the event aims to build capacity building for the trainee teachers on co-curricular activities. She also stressed the need for guiding students towards a comprehensive learning through the introduction of co-curricular activities in school. Ram Sankir Sharma expressed belief that the event will be quite beneficial to the trainee teachers in every aspect.
In this college week, when I saw the program, many healthy competitive events as well as literary events are included. So more to say, it's a robust kind of a thing where came to know each other beyond the classroom marriage, their personal endowment and other things.
Even mayam asina, not only it will increase your personality, it will develop on how to have a cooperative, workforce with your colleagues and friends, how to collaborate, and also very importantly, how to have sportsmanship. Punsida kaaba nataga first abakatana akoigi punsigi pantung natte. Akoina saruk yauriba. Saruk, we have participated in this particular event haraga akoina participate taururiba disu adugi chauraba maguna malay.
The annual meeting of Sangay Kongnang Village Level Federation VLF Charangpat Mamang Laikai was held today at Charangpat Mamang Kundol Community Hall. Indian Red Cross Society Thobal District Branch Chairman Assistant Professor K. Sudananda, CAYA Charangpat Mamang Laikai President KH Bigen, Lilong City Block BMM Mutum Jaya Lalita, Lilong City Block Cluster Coordinator Neha Morangthem, MIS Manager Elmira Lakshmi, Livelihoods Farm Block Coordinator PhD Tabai, and Block Mission Accountant and Regia, among others, attended the meeting as the main dignitaries. Reviewing the annual secretary reports and activities taken up in 2025 and discussing several agendas, including tentative programs for 2026, were the main highlights of the meeting. Singthangambi VLF, in association with AGC Manipur State, organized an awareness-cum training program on safety measures of LPG gas and how to use them correctly at Thongjau Community Hall in Mongjam under Imphal East District. Field Assistant of All Gas Care, AGC Manipur State, Happy Rajan, attended the program as expert and demonstrated ways to prevent fire accident from LPG cylinder. Speaking on the sideline, State Manager of AGC Manipur, SH Joy Prakash, stressed on the importance of learning how to handle any emergency issues concerning LPG cylinder.
Gas habisidi ayam matamda ima sing ise sing isel sing nipi sing tana paiba pot amasu oibanina gas asina pokhai ga siba matamda khudong thiba thoi bedo kanano hairgadi gas asiga matam leiba khibikta sago naraga leiriba imung adugi nipi oibi sing aduni.
Now we have the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center Lamphilpot, Sktv'S maximum temperature was recorded at 25.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 31% in the evening. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Security forces arrest 3 guards of prescribed KCP MFL for threatening to hurl bomb at Sangai Festival on Facebook post. And Socialist Students Union of Manipur slams abrupt replacement of Board of Secondary Education Manipur chairman as insult to students. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching Sktv's News and keep watching for more news updates.